In the heart of Tuscany, where the Val d'Orcia stretches its golden arms, lies Monticchiello, a pearl woven from dreams and eternity. This place steals your breath and then slowly returns it, in every whisper of the wind, in every drop of light pouring over the green hills. Here, among the stone witnesses of time, I found a nook where every day is a poem written by history itself. Monticchiello, this eternal story, begins far in the past, when the Etruscans and Romans gave it its first rhythms. Through the ages, it danced to the changing epochs, from medieval ballads, through the elegies of the Republic of Siena, to Medici sonnets. Every stone, every alley, every gate is a verse in the poetry of Monticchiello, where past and present intertwine in an indissoluble braid of memories. But it is the a teatro povero, the heart beating in rhythm with the souls of the inhabitants, that revealed to me the true essence of Monticchiello. It is a theater where life becomes art, and art becomes life, played out on the streets and squares, among the stones and light, by people whose hearts beat in unison with the heart of the village. Here, on these living stages, Monticchiello reveals its dreams, worries, and hopes, creating poetry that speaks to everyone who stops to listen. Wandering the narrow streets, entwined with history like the hills of Tuscany are with vines, I felt every step bringing me closer to uncovering the secret of eternity. The Church of Santi Leonardo e Cristoforo, with frescoes narrating stories as old as time itself, and the majestic dungeon tower, stand as monuments to time, which here, as nowhere else, seems to flow differently. And then there is the cuisine, an ode to the Tuscan land, sung by the flavors of ribollita, papa al pomodoro, served against the backdrop of a picturesque landscape, where vineyards and olive groves dance in the glow of the setting sun. Here, in Monticchiello, taste is a poem written by nature, and each bite is another verse in the story of this land. Monticchiello, my everlasting love, is a journey into the heart, where every nook, every poppy petal, every stone bench evokes echoes of eternity. In the Val d'Orcia, under the Tuscan sky, I found a place where time stops, allowing us, if only for a moment, to touch infinity. I invite you to join me on this journey, discovering together Monticchiello and its poetic soul. Let this film be our collective dance with time, a reflection on the beauty that surrounds us in Tuscany. Subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss the next chapters of our extraordinary story, written together with Val d'Orcia. Together, let's discover where the heart of Tuscany beats strongest.